Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to check the standard deviation levels, how it acts as a support and resistance for positional and intraday. The Nifty, you check the Nifty, the December 16, the price fall from plus one standard deviation levels plus standard deviation levels to travel with minus one standard deviation levels. How exactly the price tested and reversed back. So why these standard deviation levels are important? So standard deviation levels, it acts as a support and a resistance for short-term positional and intraday players. This standard deviation is very important because if everyone knows the standard deviation, they can entry and exit. They know the entry and exit points, and they can fix the target also in short term and positional also. Check the stocks divi slab. Exactly, the price travel from plus one standard deviation level, exactly test here and reverse back. Why this zone is act as a support? Because of these are minus one standard deviation levels. So the standard deviation levels always very important. Why? The traders, investors, the institutions should follow the standard deviation levels only in the market. The standard deviation, whenever the price is tested in standard deviation levels, the institutions also entered to fix the target of plus one standard deviation. So standard deviation levels, how to mark? So you have to check for short term players, you have to check weekly. For long term players, you have to check monthly. And a daily intraday players, they have to check the levels in intraday, any forceps activity, and check the standard deviation levels. Once the standard deviation levels is marked, then you have to watch the price. If you are in the price is in plus one standard deviation, you have to always look for short with the confirmation of internal time clock. Whenever the price tested for minus one standard deviation, you have to always go for long with the confirmation of institution along with the open drive or open test drive. So these are the standard deviation levels. Once everyone knows the standard deviation levels, they can easily success in trading and investment. So I advise everyone to learn the standard deviation levels, how to mark the standard deviation levels. So this is the main important topic. So standard deviation levels act as a support resistance. So why the standard deviations levels are very important? If you back test all the stocks, everything it will tested in through the standard deviation levels only. So standard deviation level is very important for the positional and intraday players. So thank you all. Thank you for supporting my channel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.